How to verify your Faceit account. So first, what you need to do is just open up your Faceit website or your Faceit desktop app. And once you're there, you simply need to go here at the top right in your profile, then click on it, then click on account settings. And it will redirect you to this page. Just scroll down and make sure that your address is set to your country. Once that's done, go to verification just below the account section. It will bring you right here. Then scroll down to the very bottom till you see I understand this is my main account checkbox right there. Then just simply click on that. Then click on verify this account. Click on agree and wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will just need to simply click on the checkboxes right there. So make sure that this is your main account since you could only verify one account. So click on checkbox and also make sure that you're not wearing any glasses or any cover that might be a hinder or might cause an error while analyzing your face. And of course, your actual ID. And use the supported browsers that Faceit has. So the supported browsers are here at the bottom. So just simply click on that also, then click on confirm. Now, as you can see, these are the verification steps. It shows you the first one is scan the QR code. The second one is face capture. The third one is document capture. And the fourth one is, of course, the verification. Now just simply click on verify. And wait for it to load. Now, once you're here, you will need to follow the steps shown below, which is switch to mobile. So move to your mobile device and get ready for a selfie and, of course, the document capture. So simply click on get started. Once it's done, click on continue. And here you will need to scan the QR code with your phone. So first, just scan it. So this page will show once you've scanned the QR code earlier, and you simply need to go with the onboarding process on your mobile device. Once that's done, it will redirect you into this page, which will show you that the verification process is now complete. And it also show you when was the date of verification, which for me was March 27, 2025. And that's basically it.